To get a new Walmart discount card, also known as a replacement Walmart discount card, you need to follow a series of steps. First, determine if you are eligible for a Walmart discount card, as these cards are typically offered to Walmart employees and their families. If you are eligible, the next step is to check if your current card is damaged, lost, or stolen, as these are the primary reasons for ordering a replacement. To order a replacement Walmart discount card, you will need to visit the Walmart Benefits website, which can be accessed through the Walmart One portal. On the website, you will need to log in with your user ID and password. If you have forgotten your login credentials, you can reset them by following the prompts on the screen. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Benefits section and select the discount card option. Follow the prompts to report your card as lost, stolen, or damaged and to request a replacement. You will need to provide some personal and identification information to verify your identity. After submitting your request, your replacement card will be mailed to you within a few business days. It is essential to keep your address up to date on the Walmart Benefits website to ensure that your replacement card is sent to the correct address. In addition to ordering a replacement card online, you can also visit your local Walmart store and speak with a member of the HR team or a store manager. They can assist you with the process of ordering a replacement card and answer any questions you may have. It is crucial to note that replacement cards may take some time to arrive, so it is recommended to plan ahead and order your replacement card as soon as possible to avoid any delays or disruptions to your shopping experience. By following these steps, you can easily get a new Walmart discount card and continue to enjoy the benefits and savings that come with it.